Right, let's see some examples of the cosine rule in action. Okay, so suppose we have some sort of triangle like this. There we go. I've drew so many triangles over the last couple of days, man. 4, 5, 105 degrees. And here we have some side x, and I want to find x. So remember the cosine rule, the format. So I'll just apply it very slickly, and hopefully you can you can have the rule in front of you, and you can just see what I'm doing here. So b squared plus c squared, other two sides, minus 2bc, so 2 times 4 times 5, cosine of 105. Okay, now remember to find the unknown side, cosine a, so this is the side a, I don't know. You're going to take the cosine of the angle opposite it. So notice the way that kind of is applied there. Do it a few more times, right? So x squared is equal to 4 squared plus 5 squared minus 2 times 4 times 5 cos of the angle opposite x, right? That's the cosine rule. So check your working out. I don't know what's that, like, 16 plus 25 minus some stuff. Cosine of 105 is going to be negative, so it's like a minus number of some nature. Basically, this is going to be about 50 something, I guess. You should get 7.17. So hopefully your mouse works out and you get that if you do everything properly. Let's have another example. And let's make the triangle acute this time. Instead of obtuse. Why not? Okay. So what are we going to have here? Yeah, let's have the example where you have all three sides. But I'm looking for the angle here. Okay. So this angle, or rather, let's call it theta. So theta, the Greek letter theta, it's always used for an unknown angle. It's good practice. So cos theta, so applying the cosine rule in reverse this time. We said it was b squared plus c squared. So that's, you can tell it's b and c are just the sides that aren't opposite your angle. It doesn't matter which way around you put b and c because the formula is symmetric. So b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. Isn't that it? I think I've done it right. Yeah. Okay. And that'll give you oh, I forgot the 2 in the bottom line. I've also used a instead of c. There we go. Right? So b squared plus c squared minus a squared over 2bc. That's what I've written here. Whatever it. So this will work out to be 51 over 48, 96. Okay. And then you take the inverse cos of that, or arc cos of this number, right? When I take arc cos of that number, I'm going to get a angle of, right, so therefore theta is equal to 57.9 degrees. All right, and that's the answer to that. So there's 2 short examples involving the cosine rule and the reverse cosine rule, but it's really the same thing.